Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add photos to, say, a team page and make sure the photos stay with the names of the people that you want associated and the images don't run into the other names and make a mess. So in order to do this, what I've done is I've created some text for each of these particular people, and I'm going to show you how to add in an image onto Greg's section and make sure that it doesn't overlap with, say, Sylvie's. First step is to add an image. So you click on the Insert Edit Image button, and from this you can either click on the source. You can either get an image from your computer, or you can get an image from what you've already uploaded. In this case, I already have one uploaded. For image description, I would put something in there that makes sense. So Greg Menzies dash current corp is a good alternate title there. Image styles, I would absolutely use this, and what this does is this helps line up the images on different screen sizes. You can manually position an image using the general tab and the advanced tab and the scale if you want, or these simple ones here. What they'll do is at different screen sizes they will adjust to the size of the screen, and the positioning will change so that things continue to look good at all widths. So I'm going to click on third to the right, which is a good size for these vertical pictures here, and you see that it appears up in the top corner of this edit box. In this version of the CMS, you have to click and drag to where you want it, and I drag it to the start of a line, either a paragraph or a title, and I'm going to put it to the start of the Greg Menzies title. And what that will do, that will align the top of the image with the top of his title there. Now as you look here, you can see that Greg's photo runs into Sylvie's section. And if you continue down here, what happens is your photos become out of alignment. So what you want to do is you want to create what's called a hard break. And the way you do this is you have to go into the code. This is a sort of an issue with some of the CMSs, or I think all of the CMSs out there now. So you have to go into the code and fix it so that Greg's description always stays with his image. So the way to do that is you want to create Sylvie's line to start below, just below where the image ends up. Now you don't know where the image is going to end up in relation to the text, because at different screen sizes this ratio may change, and you might have more text further down, or text might be further up. So we can create the break so that Sylvie starts a whole new line. And the way you do this is you go into the source code, which is this button here, and you find where it says Sylvie, which is her section there, and you have to type in this code. So style equals clear colon both. And what that does is that clears all of the sections above it so that Sylvie will start on a new line and nothing will interfere into that section. So I'm going to press OK there, and as you can see, it drops down to the next line. So what this will do is this will allow Greg to stay within Greg's picture and text to stay together, and Sylvie's to stay together. So I'll do that here again with say Bianca. I want her picture to be up here, but because of Sylvie's picture goes so far, then Bianca's is much further down. So let's match this up here. I'll go back into the code, go to Bianca right here, and click on style equals colon or quote clear colon both. And while we're at it, why don't we do, well, I guess that's it. So we'll go OK, and there we go. So Sylvie's got a lot smaller section, so there's a little bit of white space here, but Bianca's begins on the next line. So that's how you line up images in different sections and create a section break.